Hey everyone, Jimmy here from NCTU. Today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on ANSYS Spaceclaim, and this tutorial is based on how do you align your object to the origin. So first you click your object, and here I named my object as vessels, and then you click the move tool. Then you click the move tool and place the origin of the move tool on the face that you wanted to align. For example, I've clicked the move tool on, I've aligned the move tool on the inlet face, and in this case, I wanna align this inlet face to the origin. So what do? So the first step is to click the x-axis and then click this up to U tool and click this x-axis or z-axis, and your object will be automatically aligned to the origin. After aligning your x-axis, then it's time to align your y-axis. So click the y-axis of your move tool, and then the same, you click the up to U tool and then click the x-axis. Then your object will be perfectly aligned to the origin. But there are some problems with this method. You can see that if I rotate my object, there are some mismatches from what I meant to do. There's still some space between the origin and my inlet. So the best thing to do now is what I will do now is to create a line stone. So what is an align stone? I named this object myself. So a line stone is an object that is perfectly aligned to XYZ axis, and then you align your target vessel, your target solid to the align stone, and then your object might be more attached to the origin. So first thing I'm gonna do is draw the align stone on the XY plane. So it's now on XY plane. I'm just gonna draw a rectangle and turn it into a surface. Then pull the rectangle. Then we name the solid as a limestone. It's just a play on words. And then select your target solid. In this case, I call it vessels, and then click the move tool. And as the same, we move the move tool to the inlet face, and then we select the z-axis, and then we click. This time it's not this time we don't click the up to U tool. This time we click orient to object. So we click this, and we have to select a face. In this case, I select this face of the align stone. So after I clicked this face of the align stone, you can see that the inlet has been perpendicular. Is perpendicular to this face. Now the final step is to move your inlet face to the XY plane. So you select your target vessel and move your move tool to the inlet face, select z-axis, select up to u axis, and then click x-axis or the y-axis. Then your inlet face will be perfectly snapped to the origin. You can see that it's perfectly matched to our origin. If you wanna spin your, if you want the positive x-axis to be this direction, you can just click the vessels and click the move tool, drag the yellow ball to the inlet, and then click the what do you call this? Rotation method. After two clicks, you can rotate your object in 90 degrees. So after 4 clicks, you can rotate your object in 180 degrees. So in this case, I've rotated 180 degrees, and the positive z direction is now facing the inlet face of our object. Then for your later on simulation, you don't want this align stone to be present. It serves no benefit now. So you can either suppress for physics, or you can just delete it. In this case, I'll just delete it. Okay. So there you have it. This is how you guys align your target vessel or target geometry to the origin. Thanks for watching.